Lifestyles are changing and homes are becoming modern and contemporary as consumers are becoming more discerning in their choices. Water heaters have always been an integral part of our lives. But even the water heater needs to innovate to cater to the aesthetic needs of the new age and demanding consumer. And therefore, we designed the ultra-modern Havells Adonia series. But what sets it apart is the patented amazing LED color-changing display panel that simultaneously changes its color from blue to amber as the water goes from cold to hot. Also, the digital temperature display shows the current water temperature movement. The digital temperature display is without a display window, which is one of its kind and is introduced by Havells in the water heater industry. The unique feather touch panel that allows the user to set the desired water temperature as per their preferences. Adonia comes with a trademarked Havells Ferroglass technology. The thick-rolled steel tank is coated with ferroglass, which ensures high resistance against corrosion, making the heaters tough on hard water and giving them a longer life. Plus, the magnesium anode rod protects enamel tank from rust and corrosion. Incolloy glass-coated heating element ensures excellent resistance to both oxidation and carbonization at high temperatures. Adonia confirms to the latest BEE 5-star rating. Available in two futuristic and aesthetic models, Adonia Digital and Manual, which will enhance the decor of their bathrooms. Havells Adonia series is the future.